expensive that to anticipate them costing, let's say, $20 each is not out of the question, because you're piggybacking on the DVD market, and the DVD 16 by 9, in this case, literally you're going to have a vertical retrace, if you want to think of it that way, because those, you know, if you, in the book, let me go back to the book experience, you're going to have the scan lines are vertical, not that you see them, but it's actually, we believe, possible to do this. And what we want to do, and one of the reasons to show this, is to actually get people to copy it as well. So this time we really have that agenda in mind. Now this can be used this way too, which is really very cute. That you fold it flat and use it as one continuous display. You can use it to play chess and checkers. You can do it for things, but to have people sort of, we think that kind of, we think it's very important. So one of the main purposes, this is just to compare them in size. Being small is very important. Okay, the current one's a little too big. It's a little too heavy. And all of these images